Roger. 4 currently engaging. What range do you have?
Damn, Roger.
Had a laser range on him.
No auto range.
Fuck. Better. Range, auto. Alright, got auto range on it.
Roger.
Yeah, Roger.
Hit him.
Engaging. Got him.
Good.
Second one.
Hit the other one. Hit the truck. Go to the right, see if anyone's moving by the truck.
Take the trucks out.
Is there anybody in the truck? Wait for movement.
Not seeing any.
Go ahead and store that. Auto range store. There's another guy underneath.
Move right there.
Good.
Firing.
Hit him.
Target 4. We're going to take the other truck out.
Roger. Wait for movement by the truck.
Movement right there.
Roger.
He's wounded.
Hit him.
Hitting the truck.
Hit the truck in him. Go forward of it and hit him. Roger.